everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Stitch Fix unboxing for October 2018, and if you want to see what my stylist Caitlin picked for me this month, then keep on watching. GenBeauty literally days away. I had said to my stylist that I wanted pieces that I could wear to GenBeauty. You guys don't know what GenBeauty is. It is a beauty conference that is put on by Ipsy, and it's supposed to just be this place where you go, get creative, so on and so forth. So I explained to her that I wanted outfits that I could wear to GenBeauty, and then if a girlfriend and I wanted to go run and grab drinks afterwards, we easily could. I sounded very Bostonian when I said that. I think I could have been a little bit more specific with Caitlin, saying that this isn't like a conference where it's like a business meeting, but in a sense it is. A lot of these pieces in here kind of give me that young professional attire that I have been striving to achieve. So these are pieces that are going to work, you know, from office to play, which is always appreciated, because if I'm going to be spending money, I spend a majority of my time at work and not a majority of my time playing. So, you know, I kind of like pieces that I can wear in more than one scenario. For the 5 pieces inside, it's subtotal $275, but with the buy all discount and the styling fee purchase credit, it brought everything down to about $186.50. Now, that does seem like a lot of money, but there is a piece in here that is pretty expensive, and I didn't request anything specific for Caitlin in terms of like what kind of clothes I wanted for GenBeauty, but just kind of, hey, you know, I'm going to New York City, have at it. I didn't request any pieces, but I think the biggest thing to take away is that in last month's fix, I talked about how sizing was just starting to become a little bit too big. We know that I have been doing a weight loss journey on this YouTube channel, and I have documented that pretty well in my workout splits, and I think that like I finally had that realization that I should size down. A lot of Stitch Fix's styles are boutique styles, so I am a little on the fence when it comes to how the sizing is going to be, but I figured trying to size down, because things were just starting to look way too baggy, kind of unprofessional, and just not well pieced together. So this month I decided to size down, and we'll see if these sizes are going to stay, because it's scary when you're on a weight loss journey, because you're losing this weight, but you don't want to invest the money in buying new clothes, because either A, you're going to keep losing weight, you're going to have to buy new clothes anyway, or you're going to put the weight back on and you have to buy new clothes anyway. So I hate buying new clothes, period. And I always like am super apprehensive when it comes to buying smaller sizes, because like I don't know if it's actually like if it's just a good week or if it's like I am actually that size. So let's not waste any time and let's go ahead and head over to the try on. This is the Liverpool Shayla contrast color Rainwear trench coat. I'm in a size large, and this retails for $88. I am somebody who's not probably going to grab a teal green colored trench coat, just because I am so neutral when it comes to my style, and especially pieces like a trench coat. I'm going to rather opt for like tan, black, something that will literally go with anything. I love the intention that Caitlin had of picking a fun color, but truthfully, I'm probably not going to think of picking this up for myself. I really do like how water resistant this is, and this would be a really great piece if, you know, you were going to a rainy destination like maybe a Seattle or something, because it keeps you pretty warm. I'm actually kind of sweating standing here in this, and I think that, you know, it's a great trench for the price point that you're paying. In terms of the fit, it is a little snug, and I'm not buttoning up right now because I'm literally sweating standing here. It's so warm. But I think this might be something that I would choose to size up in, because if you're wearing trench coats, usually that means for rainy weather. Sometimes with rain in the fall, it usually means cold and damp and miserable. So I would rather be a size larger than that way I could layer some sweaters and stuff underneath it. If this were to come in like a camel color, tan color, I would absolutely exchange it for that. But right now I don't really need a trench coat, so I'm going to have to pass on this one. This is the pink Clover Denver knot front detailed knit top. I am in a size large, and this retails for $38. I really love the color story of this because it's very neutral, very earthy tone, and for me, I really love that olive green color. I think if this were in a size larger, I probably wouldn't like it as much because I feel it would look too baggy, but I think that this could easily be paired with a pair of jeans, you know, for girls' night out, or even like with a pair of slacks and how I have it paired now to wear it to the office. The top is so unbelievably cozy. Like, it has just such a really soft, almost cashmere-like feel to it, which would be perfect for, you know, the cooler days of fall and winter coming. I'm a huge fan of this. I love the color combination together. I love the fit. I love how it feels. I love how it feels on me. And even this like little front knot detail. Now, I have a couple of tops that are like this, and I know in the past there have been a few I've received from Fixes that I just don't like where it is. I think that this one though fits in a really nice area, and it doesn't bring a ton of attention to it because of that kind of color block story it works with. It just works really well, I think. To GenBeauty, maybe, because it's supposed to be a little bit crisper and cooler when I am in New York City. But yeah, I am a huge fan of this. I love the color. Love how soft and cozy it feels. I don't love it right now because I'm sweating to death in this video. But who thought it was going to be 80 degrees in the middle of October? So this is the French Gray Marjorie back detail brush knit dress. This is in an extra large, and this retails for $48. This dress is so cute. It's so flirty. I love just kind of the cinching detail right in the waistline where it's kind of a little flirty. I think that this dress is so pretty. I love, you know, the detailing of it, because when I first saw it on what I was receiving, I thought truthfully that it was like blue. But coming to find out that it's black, I have plenty of things that I could wear this with. It's a fun, traditional, untraditional approach to a little black dress, and it's just so comfortable. This would be the second French gray dress that I may potentially keep. And I think that this is just, again, a great dress for, you know, wearing it to the office, maybe wearing it out to New York City and doing some fun, different sightseeing things. It's so cute, so comfortable, and I just really love all the little hidden details. Back detailing is really cute, so it kind of gives you an excuse to wear the hair up. I love this detailing here, how it kind of cinches in so then it flows out, so it's not, you know, too boxy or not boxy, or however we want to call it. I just think in general it's a really cute dress. Having it on and seeing it makes me a believer, because again, when I first saw it in the box, I didn't think I was gonna like it, and then putting it on, your girl is sold. Because on the real, I could see myself wearing this at Thanksgiving and being totally comfortable, because I finally have learned that you wear dresses to Thanksgiving so you can eat all the food. We're gonna make this one quick because these pants are hot. Two for here, so this will start with the top and we'll work our way to the bottom. So this is the Alice Blue Ambriz pleat front detail blouse. This is in a size large, and this retails for $42. I think for starters, it's poking me and it's very uncomfortable with the tags on. I am somebody who lives in the color black. It's one of the biggest staples in my closet, and I think that this is a really cute, you know, it's a fun blouse that can be worn office, can be worn, you know, casually, or it can be worn for a girl's night out. I really think that this is a cute blouse in terms of like how it fits. You know, I was a little apprehensive because I know a lot of the time with blouses, that's usually where I struggle when it comes to like the chest and like the belly area. Completely honest, this is a really comfortable one. I like how the sleeves give me a little bit of room. It's a little tight in the back, but it's not unbearable. I don't think it looks terrible on. I think it's actually a pretty cute piece that you can wear with a blazer or a cardigan, or, you know, a magnitude of different things. The thing I don't like is kind of how high up this goes, but I think a lot of it has to do too with these pants, and these are the STS Blue EmilieCoated skinny jean. These are a size 14 and these retail for $59. Sizing down to me was absolutely terrifying because of the reality I'm facing right now. So these pants are not very high-waisted. These say that they're a size 32, which I guess is the equivalent of a 14, but I don't know if it's because it's that like pleather material, but these are tight and these are hot, and I don't love these. I think that if they were maybe a size bigger, I would feel a little bit more comfortable. I think also too that like this isn't as high-waisted of a pant that I would normally wear. Usually I like things that come up to like about belly button, if not a little bit higher. These are just, they're not comfortable. I think that, you know, leather, pleather is definitely a fall staple, but I have leggings for that. I have leather leggings that I can wear. Try saying that 5 times fast. They're very hard to get on. They're very difficult to, I mean, I have a good range of motion, but I definitely feel that it would be swamp city no matter if it was a negative 20 degrees outside. They're just not ideal. Is it something that I would size up in to try? Probably not, because I already have a pair of leather bottoms, and they work just as fine. These two paired together make a really killer combo, but right now I am so sweaty and I need to get these off of my body because it is just too hot. But yeah, the pants are definitely a no-go for me. For the top though, I am a little on the fence. I might keep it, I might not. I don't know. We'll have to see. That was everything that I received inside my Stitch Fix this month. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new Stitch Fixes. So this month's fix was definitely a good one in terms of those casual but yet semi-professional pieces. A few of the pieces I definitely am so on the fence on if I want to keep them or not. But I will be sure to do a full review of all the pieces inside, as well as some styling suggestions from Caitlin, and you guys can check that over at the website at sarahlock.com. 2 H's, 2 K's. And I'll also be sure to link all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me when I head to New York City and go to GenBeauty and do a travel with me and get excited to really kind of feel this new creative resurgence that I've been talking about in a couple of my videos. I really have been trying to find a way of how I want to brand myself and what I want to be perceived as, not only as a young professional, but just in general too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Take care, love you always, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.